Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will cover two topics. The first topic is how to create a new partition in Windows 10 and the second topic is how to merge or combine two partitions. So let's start with our first topic. So right now I have only one partition. As you can see, this is my C drive. So first I will show you how to create another partition. So what I will do is I will shrink some free space from my C drive and create a new partition. So for this, right click on your Windows icon, then click on Disk Management. Now as you can see, this is my C drive. So what I will do is I will shrink some free space from my C drive. So right click on your C drive, then click on Shrink Volume. Now wait for few seconds. It will analyze your partition space. Now you can see this option, enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. You have to enter the amount of space you need. For example, I need 40 GB of free space, so I will type 40,000 for 40 GB. Or if I go for 50 GB free space, I will type 50,000. You can enter the amount as per your requirement. So I will go for 50 GB, then click on Shrink. Now wait for a few seconds and you can see this is a free space and currently it is in unallocated form. So right click on it, then click on New Sample Volume, then click on Next, click on Next. Now this will assign a letter to this partition. You can change the letter as well. I will go for K, then click on Next, then click on Next, Finish, and you can see new partition has been created. You can see the notification as well. I will show you. So as you can see, this is my another partition, my new partition which I created. So this is how you can create a new partition in Windows 10. Now I will show you how to merge or combine two partitions. So in this, what I will do is I will delete this partition and merge the space to C drive. But one important thing, if you have some important data in your other partition, move that data or take a data backup, because in this process this partition will totally delete it. So let's start the process. Open your Disk Management again. So this is the partition. Right click on it, then click on Delete Volume, then click on Yes, and you can see this is now unallocated. Now what I will do is right click on your C drive, then click on Extend Volume, click on Next. So this is the partition size. Click on Next, click on Finish, and you can see the partition has been merged. As you can see, the partition has been merged to my C drive. So this is how you can create a new partition or merge or combine two partitions. So this is all for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechFight. Have a nice day.